For as long as humans have coexisted with Bigfoot, there has often been reports of particular sounds coming from within the forest. These sounds that are often heard emit specific patterns of what seems to be a form of recapitulated communication. Through the use of wood, stones, and vocalizations. Bigfoot researchers believe that these sounds are deliberately made by Bigfoot as a form of communication amongst their species. These numerous Bigfoot communication sounds that have been heard in the forest are most often reported by people who live or camp in the woods who have no interest in Bigfoot whatsoever. The repetitive intelligence involved in the communication is uncanny, especially when it's a certain sound that Bigfoot vocally recreated in the forest after the creature heard it produced by a human individual first. One of the most common Bigfoot communication sounds heard are wood knocks, or knocks for short. It's the sound produced when a solid, heavy stick of wood is whacked hard near the base of a tree. This knock sound is often heard once or in a series of 2 or 3 or more knocks, repeating in a pattern. Bigfoot investigators use this sound to see if there are any Bigfoot in the region they are investigating in, due to the fact that the Bigfoot often respond back with a knock of its own if they are present. Once the Bigfoot realizes the knocks came from a human, the creature will elude his pursuers by escaping deeper into the forest. There have also been Bigfoot investigations where the investigators in the forest have heard one knock for every human who has ventured beyond a certain point into Bigfoot's space. As if an unseen Bigfoot on guard was communicating the activity with the rest of the Bigfoot troop. Another common Bigfoot communication sound that has been heard in the forest are rock clacks. It is the sound produced when 2 rocks are banged together in a series of 1 or more clacks, repeating in a pattern. It's also the sound produced when 2 rocks are banged together in a rapid succession of multiple clacks. Like the wood knocks, Bigfoot researchers believe that these rock sounds are deliberately made by Bigfoot as a form of communication. Some Native American tribes believe the rock clacking sounds that Bigfoot makes is its own way of communicating. I am here. Are you there? Awaiting the response of a rock clack back. The Bigfoot communication sound heard the most is vocalizations. Their vocalizations are loud, deep, and powerful. It's been said that Bigfoot are masters of changing their voice, mimicking and throwing their voices to decoy their prey or to mislead humans. There have also been reports of Bigfoot having the ability to mimic the distressing cries of a human baby, a crying woman, or coyotes and wolves. The most common Bigfoot communication sounds heard are whoops. Some whoops are short bursts, while other whoops are extended for well over 10 seconds or more. Other vocalizations reported are whistling, loud roars, howling, mumbling, screeching, clicks, blood-curdling screams, and primate chattering and hoots. Don't forget to watch, like, and share Bigfoot in the Forest on all your social media. Bigfoot in the Forest can be found on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest, and Reddit.